In this lecture, we will see some rest option available in the model area clearance. So in previous video, we have seen some basic option. So this is my model, and we have created this type of toolpath in last video. Now, right click over it and go to setting and edit it. Now, here we have some limit. So now I want to define the limit. For that limit, we have to create some boundary curves so that we can define this boundary. So first cancel it, and here in boundary, right click and create new boundary. Okay, so I'm selecting this user define and clicking here with sketch, and from the top and circle, and the radius is 10. I'm going to change it as 80. It is more than our requirement. Okay, now this is okay. Okay, now click it and accept and accept. Okay, now I have a boundary. Now I want to use this boundary as a limit. So right click here and go to settings. So I'm going to edit this toolpath and add it. Click here to add it, and click here to if you want to make a copy of this one. Okay, so click. So a new copy will come 1-1, and my limit is this one. And here we have the option keep inside. Now generate. Click over the calculate. Now it will calculate the toolpath, and this will we will see this one. Okay, see, the toolpath is created inside this boundary only. Okay, and added it, and I want to keep outside and calculate this. The toolpath will generate outside of this limit. Okay, added this, and here we have some option, this block limit, and just click it and see. So here I have selected this, and this one is center of the block edge. Okay, so see here the tool path is creating outside. Okay, and let's simulate it so that you will understand this better. Okay, click. Speed slow back. Going to inside to out. See, the tool path is, the tool is see, it is outside from left. See, this is my blank and the tool is outside. Now I'm going to change this to the center. Okay, and calculate again, and from the top, see, now the tool path is inside and the tool will move over the outer edges of this block. Sorry. See, now this is tool is now working over the outer edge of the blank. So this limit, I think you understand what is the use of this limit. Okay, and if you have the open area, that time we will use this kind of, otherwise you will keep this. Okay, and Here we have these two option for limit, and this is for the boundary. Okay, this is for the boundary, means if we are using this, like it, we have this boundary, so tool will work over this, and if you will select this, so it will tangent to the boundary curve. Now see, now my tool is tangent to this boundary, or we can check it. Just go to here and play. Okay, toolpath is tangent to this boundary curve only, and if you will change it at the center, so tool will work over this curve. Calculate. Now the tool will click. See, here we have the boundary below this curve. Okay, or we can check it from here, or just close it and right click over it, and here we have pick view picked z height. See, this is the path, and only this path is coming. Okay, the tool path is over the boundary curve. See, this first cut, second cut, all the cut we can see from here. Okay, no problem, it is okay. Now let's see the other option. So right click over here and go to setting and edit this one, and in limit we have this z limit. Okay, so maximum and the minimum limit. So click here to define the minimum limit, and my minimum limit is this. I'm trying to pick this point. Click here. Okay, and this is minus 24. Now calculate. Let's see. No, it is not coming properly. I did it, and I want to keep it inside, and first maximize. Click this one, and now calculate. So toolpath will create up to this 16, negative 16. Here it is 0, and I want to add both. So this is 0, and here it is negative 16, or you can add minus 10 and again minus 25. So only it will cut in between 10 to 25. Okay, it is cutting in between this, or I'm going to change it to 20. So the gap will also increase. So if you want to cut only a specific area, that time we can assign the z limit. So it will cut between the z level, minimum or maximum limit. We can define here, and the toolpath will generate in between these two limits. And close. So that is the limit option. So thank you for watching.